Hey guys, welcome back to Sarah's Jewelry Studio. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing for the November 2023 Potomac Beads Best Bead Box. So we are going to see everything that comes in this box this month, so stay tuned because there's something really cool at the end that I'm excited to share with you. So stay tuned for that. Thanks. Alright, so this month's called Twilight Bloom. So it says, usher in the charm of a blossoming twilight garden to your jewelry creations with a soft blush of gentle pinks, regal and elegant violets, and an infusion of vibrant rose that ignites feelings of passion and vitality. Wield this palette of slender dagger beads reminiscent of flower petals, lucky ladybugs, and elegant pearls to create jewelry perfect for a moonlit stroll. Alright, so we're going to check this out. So let's see. Up first, we have these Potomac crystal bicones in 4mm. These are very sparkly. Look at all that sparkle in there. So you can see they have that silvery shine on some parts of it, and then the rest of it's clear. But it makes it very sparkly. So that was the first one there. Okay, up next we have these gemstone ovals in jet. So I also call them gemstone barrel beads on the paper there. Oops, awesome. So we get a good amount of these actually. So it says they're gemstone beads. They definitely feel very cold like gemstone beads. Now I can see that some of them are black and some of them are like this gray kind of color. It doesn't say what kind of gemstones these are, but I mean, you can see some banding there on that one. This one definitely has some banding, so I'm going to go with probably an agate. But a lot of them are just black, it looks like, from what I can see. So there are those. Then up next we have some Potomac pearls in 3mm. And it says these are rose gold. So we have a nice long strand here. A very long strand of those. These are very pretty. They do, I mean, they're definitely a rose gold. So they do kind of show up more just gold looking on the camera, but when you're looking at them in person, you can see more of that rose color in there. Then we have black ladybugs. When I first saw these, I thought they were like scarabs, but they call them black ladybugs. Cute little beetle bug there. A little handful of those. Then we have some Czech leaf beads. And I feel like I have one of these, this color, in the mix that I got for the October box. Seems like it's the same. So we got those we can have fun with. Then we got two more butterflies. And these are pink. You can see they have some banding on there as well. Now it doesn't say that they're gemstone. They're actually Czech glass. But the banding is just the variation in the glass itself, as you can see that. I just don't want to confuse you by using the word banding on that. Alright, so then we have some more Czech filigree teardrops in pink and purple. So we got 2 purple and 4 pink. So those are fun. They're drilled straight down through like that. These are Czech glass. So those are really pretty. Definitely see at least a pair of earrings out of those for sure. And then here are those daggers they were talking about. Czech, it says Czech daggers assorted, but they all pretty much look the same to me. So these up, go closer look here. Oh, there's assorted sizes. So look, there's a little tiny one. See, I thought they meant assorted colors, but they're actually assorted sizes. So you can see there's smaller ones and then bigger ones. So those will be fun to work with as well. See, that's why I like these boxes. It has me work with things that I wouldn't normally pick out on my own. And it's a nice little challenge for me. So next we have these hook and eye clasps. So there are 2 of the hooks here. They don't want to come apart right now, but you see them there. And then we have 4 of these rings. Oh, well, actually, it's 1 ring. It's like an 8. So you would attach one end with the jump ring, and then this would attach to the other end. Once I get these apart. There we go. So go like that. There we go. Like so. Alright, so there are those. We got 2 of those. And then we also got some hammered rings, 20 millimeter. And they are antique brass plated. So those are nice. They're a good size. I like those. I like the hammered look on those. Alright. Then we have some Miyuki seed beads in size 8-0. These are Duracoat galvanized. It's a nice little pretty purple color. Alright, and then we have some cuff buttons in Topaz. I'm guessing that's light apricot full. So we got these Czech glass cup buttons. So these are really pretty. Not sure what I'm going to do with these yet. There are 5 of them. Last cup buttons I used in a pair of earrings. But there was only 2 of them. Now there's 5 of them. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those. And we have some very large faceted rounds. They're 18 millimeters. Lilac purple. You can see they're very large. So they do have like this silver coating on the one side. And then the other side's the clear. So that makes it so they're not totally see-through. But those make them very shiny. We got those there. And then these, by process of elimination, I determined that they are the rondelle beads. But I've never seen any like this before. So you can see they're like, they have like steps. They're like hard edges. But those are fun. I really like these. I've never seen any beads like these before. I thought those would be pretty cool to work with. Okay, up next we have some Czech glass heart beads. So you can see they are drilled through the top here. Let's make that a little easier to see. There you go. So they're drilled through the top. Like so. There you go. So those are pretty good size there. They are purple. It's hard to see that on there that they're purple. They do look kind of black on the video, but they are actually purple. And then we have some twisty beads in Picasso red. These are Czech glass twisted nugget beads. You can see they have a little twist to them. And then they're drilled down through the center of the twist here. So not long ways. Normally in larger twist beads, they're drilled down long ways, but these are actually drilled down right through the center of the beads. So I'm not sure how they'll stack. We'll have to see if they stack. Oh, they do look like they stack up pretty good on the, like if you were to send a wire straight down through a bunch of them in a row. So that'll be cool to look at and see how they stack together. Alright, so there are those. And we only have 3 things left. We're down to the end. Alright, so we have 2 of these Czech glass rough nuggets. So they're kind of like, I don't know, like well, really don't have a better description other than a rough nugget. It seems pretty adequate. I was gonna try and compare it to something, but I really got nothing on that. So I've never seen anything like these before either. These are new to me. Rough nuggets. So normally when there's 2 of something, I like to make them into earrings. So these very well could become earrings. Alright, and then we have some stretch cord. So we got this here, this 0.8 millimeter. That's my go-to size for making stretch bracelets. and this is 16 feet, so 5 millimeters, and it's just elastic cord. So when you're doing stretch cord, make sure you always give it a pre-stretch, otherwise when you make something on it, then once it gets stretched out a little bit, it'll be too big. So make sure you give it a pre-stretch pretty good to make sure that it's stretched out a little bit, and then that way when you put it on, then it doesn't get super stretched out and then you end up with too much space in your cord. And then the last thing, which is what I'm really excited about, and it is a tool, and they are long nose pliers. So I'm very excited. So they are 4.75 inch long nose pliers. So I'm very excited about this. High quality carbon steel forged, lap joint for better coverage or leverage, soft dipped handles with double leaf springs. So I'm really excited about these. Let me open this up here. Just having that reflection on there. Let's check these out. Oh, so that's a nice rubber coating on here. Oh, they work really good. So, oh, and they do have the grooves in there. I don't know if you can see that. There you go, you can see that there. So they do have grooves inside, so you want to make sure when you're working with wire with them that you be careful not to put grooves into the wire that you're working with, so they're not smooth on the inside. Otherwise you're gonna mar up the insides. So the other ones these are ones that I normally work with, and you can see the insides of these are smooth. So this is my normal pair, and then these are the pair that I just got, and they do have the ridges in there, which is good for getting a grip on things, but sometimes you don't want to mess it up, so you got to be a little bit gentle with them. All right, but those are really cool. I'm excited to add those to my collection because, like I said, I had these, which are very similar, but they were the smooth ones inside, which sometimes doesn't give you the good grip that you need, like the ones with the lines in there do. So there is that. All right. So, thank you guys for watching, and let me know what you're looking forward to me making something with out of all of this stuff. So, I will be coming out with that video as soon as I possibly can, and I can't wait to come back and show you guys some more made jewelry. So, stay tuned for that. All right, thanks. Bye.